accessibility to a real dermatologist, but they have access to their phone and social media, and 2 million skin doctors in Instagram. According to NMC, there are only 18,000 dermatologists, but according to Instagram, there are 2 million dermatologists in India. So they are very easy to access in Instagram. So whatever they speak, they believe. It's their innocence also, because they are not much educated. They might be deceived easily by the looks of the influencer, by the looks of the product before and after pictures they are posting. So that is also one major point which is adding to this social media whatever is going on.
So let me put up some stats here. There's a questionnaire study that is mentioned here, conducted in Saudi Arabia, found that 51% of the study population became familiar with skincare products through social media. And in an interesting 2025 study of female college students done in Tamil Nadu, over 92% said that social media influenced their skincare product choices, and about 87.5% even experienced side effects from those influenced skincare. And according to American Society of Dermatological Surgery 2021 consumer survey, social media ranked among the top 3 factors when consumers are choosing their skincare products.
And also whether to have a cosmetic treatment.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.